Yeah, looking good. Pretty quiet actually. There's my bit of attachment. Hopefully it won't keep rebooting or freezing 3 times a day. Yeah, let's boot. 20C motherboard temperature, CPU 20, so obviously the heatsink's doing quite well. Didn't manage to actually slice my finger a bit. Not quite sure how, but there you go. The trials and tribulations of computer work. It's all gone. Ta-da! Well, maybe. Right, once I get a tissue, clean that up, we're ready for the next stage. Overclocking. Or maybe just getting it working properly.